Hi everyone, today we will be unboxing the Brustro Artist Gouache. They have recently come up with this and at a very economical price. This one here is a 24 color set and it has about 12 ml each. And I got that for a really good price. I think it is an under INR 1000, it must be around 800 something. So for that price range, I think this is a brilliant buy. So we're going to test it out and we're going to see if it is as good as what it claims and how nice and usable this could be. And I'm also excited to see the colors that it has. This is, oops, I hope I don't tear the box while doing that. Oh, this looks like a very beautiful piece. I absolutely love the colors. Let's open this pack. So in the other ones that I have, I don't have I think most of them also come with a lot of primary colors, and that's pretty much good enough for you to create a lot of mix and match different colors. But these seem to have a lot of nice pre-mixed colors. Like there's the fresh flesh tint here, which is exciting me. There's also a hot pink. Let's see how all of these colors come out. The box is a little slightly flimsy, but I think that's still okay. It's manageable. And each tube looks really nice. This is from Creative Hands that I bought this from. The delivery is pretty quick, titanium white. So now white is something that you'll have to buy a lot in gouache because of the colors that you mix. But if you already have like really nice pre-mixed pastel tones and earthy tones, you don't really need too much of white to mix. So let's try out. I'm going to probably try out a couple of colors and let's see how these come. I'm going to now put a couple of colors into this and test out and maybe create a small piece. Let's do that. So you don't really need to use a masking tape for this, which I'm kind of happy about, because for the watercolors that I do a lot of masking tape. So this is a masking tape. You don't really need to do that. So let's test out. I'm going to test first maybe the primary colors. There is a nice lemon yellow and there is a vermilion, there is a scarlet, so probably the vermilion red, and so there is maybe the cerulean blue. Let's try these three colors and see how the consistency is. Red is my favorite color, so I'm going to try that first. It looks pretty creamy. Let's apply this and see. So lately, gouache has been one of my most favorite mediums to work with. This is a nice mixture. Let's create something. I'm going to probably create an apple. Oh, this is very nice. The consistency is very good. If you have seen my unboxing of the Winston & Newton ones and also the ones from White Nights and Montcade, you will have a very good idea about what kind of gouache is good, what kind of gouache isn't good, and what to expect from it. So far, I think this one is amazing. It's really good. For the price range that it is coming in, I think this is an absolute hit. Let's try out the yellow. So normally I find that a lot of lemon yellow is kind of too bright in a lot of brands, and that kind of that is difficult sometimes because you really don't know what to expect out of the end product once you put it onto a surface. Maybe I'm going to make a lemon. I love the consistency. This one I'm using very light. I'm applying a lot of water and I'm going to try and see how that comes, and so far it's really good. I'm going to try the blue. I'm thinking of what fruit. Oh, I'll probably make blueberries. A ceramic plate is very nice to use for as a palette, especially for your gouache. Let's try some blueberries. This is a brilliant one. Very, very good. Love the consistency. I hope it stays the same way though after a couple of uses. And I also have to test out what happens once the paper dries up and this is kept without viewing for a while. Does it fade away? So we'll have to check that out. But for a beginner, I think this is an absolutely amazing piece to buy. Let's mix some colors now. I'm going to mix the blue and the yellow and we'll form a green and we'll see how the consistency of that is. So we'll make maybe green grapes. So far, so good. This is very good. So if you guys are into gouache already, you would by now have a very clear idea of what to expect from this. If you aren't into gouache and this is the first time you're viewing something, then my recommendation is to go ahead and get these. They're pretty good, especially for beginner level. I would even recommend them for intermediate level. They seem amazing to me. I'll also put up like probably some more videos of more intense paintings with these to figure out how they fare and how we can create lots of other things with them. Oops, I need a little more water over there. Let's add a nice leaf to this. This is a brilliant one. I would highly recommend you guys to get them. So far I am quite happy with the consistency of these. I hope this was useful for you to know if this is something that will work for you, and if you liked my video, do subscribe to my channel so I can put up a lot more and you can see a lot of different things about art. Thank you.